Did you know that some cars and SUVs are notorious for frequent breakdowns, costly repairs, and low reliability ratings? In this video, we'll be uncovering the most unreliable vehicles that you should avoid at all costs. From high repair costs and frequent breakdowns to poor resale value and common mechanical issues, we'll dive deep into why these models cause headaches for their owners. We'll also discuss issues like fuel inefficiency, safety concerns, and even warranty limitations, all while offering some reliable alternatives. So if you want to save yourself from future frustration, keep watching until the end. Welcome to Rev Rage, where we bring you the best car advice to keep you on the road. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. 1. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has always been a popular SUV, but that doesn't mean it's reliable. Models between 2014 to 2020 have suffered from a range of issues that make them one of the most problematic vehicles you can own. From electronic system failures, transmission problems, to suspension issues, owners are often left with hefty repair bills. Recurring complaints about the transmission jerking or even failing completely around 70,000 miles should send warning signals. Would you want to spend thousands on repairs within just a few years of owning an SUV? Probably not. Think twice before getting this one. 2. Fiat 500L. You might be drawn to the Fiat 500L because of its cute design and compact shape. However, under that adorable exterior lies a car riddled with mechanical issues. The 500L has been known for its poor build quality, which leads to early wear and tear. Engine problems are common, especially the turbo lag, which causes delays in acceleration. Many owners also report frequent electrical glitches and malfunctioning infotainment systems. Fiat has had a rough reputation for reliability in the US, and this model cements that fact. Ask yourself, is it worth the headache for style alone? 3rd. Ford Focus. This compact car has been the subject of numerous complaints. The most notorious issue: the power shift transmission. The transmission in the 2012 to 2018 models has caused endless frustration for owners who report jerky movements, hesitation during acceleration, and complete transmission failure. Ford's attempt to solve the problem through multiple recalls has done little to ease the pain of owning a Focus. Constant trips to the mechanic for the same issues are not only time-consuming but also a financial drain. Imagine dealing with a car that never seems to improve despite repair after repair. 4. Nissan Pathfinder. The Nissan Pathfinder is a family SUV that promises space and comfort, but it doesn't deliver on reliability. Its CVT, continuously variable transmission, has been a nightmare for owners, with frequent complaints of shuddering, stalling, and even complete failure of the transmission. The 2013 to 2020 models are notorious for these issues, and the repairs are expensive, often costing upwards of $4,000 to fix. The frustration doesn't stop there. Owners also report faulty air conditioning units and problems with the four-wheel drive system. Can you imagine your family road trips being interrupted by breakdowns? 5. Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban may be the go-to choice for those who need a full-size SUV, but don't be fooled by its size. The 2015 to 2020 models have a long list of reliability issues that make this vehicle a potential nightmare. From excessive oil consumption to faulty electronic systems, it's not a cheap fix when things go wrong. Transmission failure is another recurring issue, and many owners report the vehicle jerking and stalling unpredictably. And let's not forget the problems with the air suspension system, which often fails and costs a small fortune to repair. Would you really want to risk it? 6th. Land Rover Discovery Sport. Luxury doesn't always mean reliability, and the Land Rover Discovery Sport proves this point. It may look sleek, but the 2015 to 2020 models are notorious for a wide range of problems. Owners frequently report issues with the engine, such as excessive oil consumption and coolant leaks. The transmission, too, has its fair share of complaints, with many drivers experiencing sudden and unpredictable gear shifts. The infotainment system is also a constant source of frustration, often freezing or crashing entirely. If you think luxury should equal peace of mind, think again before considering this one. 7. Dodge Journey. If you're searching for an affordable SUV, the Dodge Journey might catch your eye, but buyer beware. The Journey has consistently been rated as one of the least reliable SUVs over the years. Owners of the 2009 to 2020 models report a myriad of issues, from engine failure to brake problems, and worst of all, transmission troubles that often arise early in the vehicle's life. The Journey's poor fuel economy and subpar interior quality only add to the frustration. With so many alternatives in the market, why choose a vehicle known for letting people down? 8. Tesla Model S. Yes, Tesla's Model S is a groundbreaking electric vehicle with impressive performance, but it has one significant flaw: reliability. Owners from 2012 to 2020 have reported multiple issues, particularly with the build quality. From door handles that refuse to work to malfunctioning electronics, the Model S can be more trouble than it's worth. There's also the notorious problem with the vehicle's suspension, which has led to premature wear and expensive repairs. Considering the premium price tag, you'd expect more dependability, but it's a gamble whether or not you'll face these frustrations. 9. BMW X5. The BMW X5 may be a luxury SUV, but it's far from reliable, especially in the 2014 to 2020 models. Many owners have faced a range of mechanical problems, particularly with the engine and electronics. The twin-turbo engine in particular has been known to overheat, leading to major repair bills. Additionally, the vehicle's complex electronic systems often malfunction, with the infotainment screen freezing or the navigation system failing. Repairs on BMWs are notoriously expensive, and the X5 is no exception. When buying a premium SUV, the last thing you want is to be constantly visiting the mechanic. 10. Cadillac Escalade. The Cadillac Escalade is a symbol of luxury, but it doesn't come without its faults. The 2015 to 2020 models are known for their poor reliability, with owners frequently reporting problems with the transmission, suspension, and electronics. The most common complaint? A shaky or jerky ride due to the suspension system, which often needs repairs within the first few years. Transmission issues also plague the Escalade, with many owners reporting that the vehicle doesn't shift smoothly between gears. With high repair costs and the potential for frequent breakdowns, this luxury SUV might not be the dream vehicle it appears to be. Would you really want to deal with any of these headaches? Many of these vehicles might have the style, performance, or features you're looking for, but reliability is crucial. Owning a car or SUV is a significant investment, and the last thing you want is to constantly worry about it breaking down. Why settle for a ride that's going to cause more frustration than joy? Let me know if this works for your video, or if you'd like any adjustments. If you found this video helpful or interesting, make sure to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of the latest updates and new videos we have coming your way. It's completely free, and it really helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you more content like this. Don't forget to also tap the notification bell to stay notified whenever a new video drops. Your support means a lot to us, and we appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for watching.